Aisha, hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. English channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Aisha. Muniba, and I'm Muniba. Hello everyone. It's so wonderful to be here with you today. Aisha, hi Muniba. How are you today? Muniba, I am feeling amazing, thank you. Every day is a gift, and today I am especially happy because we have such a beautiful topic. Aisha, you always say something so inspiring. I love it. Muniba, that's how I see life. Every moment is precious. So let's make the most of it. Aisha, exactly. But before we start, everyone, please remember to subscribe to our channel. Muniba, yes. Click the subscribe button. It is free and it helps us so much. Aisha, and please click the like button and share our podcast with your friends and family. Muniba, yes. If this helps you, share it. Help others learn too. Sharing is caring. Aisha, okay. Are you ready, Muniba? Muniba, I am always ready. So Aisha, what is our topic today? Aisha, today, our topic is, tell me about yourself. Muniba, such an important question. I have answered this question many, many times, in interviews, on stage, in front of thousands of people. Aisha, yes. And today you will help our viewers learn how to answer it too. Muniba, step by step. Easy and simple. Let's go. Part 2, name, country and city, 1:30 to 4 o'clock. Aisha, okay Muniba, let's start with the basics. I'll ask you some questions. Ready? Muniba, ready. Aisha. First question, what is your name? Muniba, my name is Muniba. Muniba, Muniba. And my full name is Muniba Mazari. Mazari is my family name. Aisha, what a beautiful name. My name is Aisha. Y-E-S-H-A, Aisha. Muniba, Aisha is also a very beautiful name. Nice to meet you. Aisha, nice to meet you too, Muniba. So viewers, always start with your name. Say, my name is. Or I'm. Muniba, for example, my name is Zara. Or, I'm Ahmed. Very simple. Very easy. Age. How old are you? Muniba, I am in my late 30s. But you know what, age is just a number. What matters is how you feel inside. Aisha, I love that. So viewers, to say your age, say, I am ___ years old. Muniba, for example, I am 22 years old. Or I am 30 years old. Simple. Aisha, now, the big question. What do you do? What is your job, Muniba? Muniba, oh. This is my favorite question. Because I have more than one job. Aisha, really? Tell us. Muniba, I am a painter. I paint beautiful, colorful art. My paintings are shown all over the world. Aisha, wow. That's amazing. Muniba, I am also a motivational speaker. I speak on big stages, in Pakistan, in the USA, in the UK, all around the world. Aisha, you inspire so many people. Muniba, I try. And I am also a TV host and an actor. I have appeared on Pakistani television. Aisha, and now you are an English teacher on Smart English Speaking. Muniba, yes. My newest and favorite role. So viewers, for your job, say, I am a student. Or I am a teacher. Aisha, or, I am a doctor. I am an engineer. I am an artist. I work in an office. Muniba, remember, every job is important. Every person has value. Be proud of what you do. Aisha, now say your job out loud. I am a ____. Go. Family. Aisha, okay. Next topic, family. Muniba, tell us about your family. Muniba, I love this topic so much. Family is everything to me. Aisha. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Muniba, yes. I come from a big, loving family. I have siblings, brothers and sisters. We grew up together and we are very close. Aisha, that's beautiful. A big family, lots of love. Muniba, lots of love and lots of noise. Ha. Aisha, ha. That's true in every big family. Now Muniba, tell us about the most special person in your life. Muniba, my daughter. Her name is Nail. N-A-E-L Nail. Aisha, Nail. What a unique and beautiful name. Muniba, she is my heart. She is my sunshine. She gives me strength every single day. Aisha, how sweet. How old is Nail? Muniba, she is young, a beautiful little girl. Full of energy, full of questions, full of life. Aisha, just like her mother. Muniba, huh? Maybe, yes. She loves to draw too. Perhaps she will be an artist one day. Aisha, like mother, like daughter. So viewers, for family, you can say, I have one daughter. Or I have two sons. Muniba, or I have one brother and two sisters. Or, I am an only child, that means no brothers or sisters. Aisha, and you can talk about your parents too. For example, my mother is a teacher. My father works in a bank. Muniba, family is our first home. Talk about them in English, it is wonderful practice and it comes from the heart. Pets. Aisha, okay. Now a fun topic. Pets. Muniba, do you have a pet? Muniba, oh yes. I love animals deeply. I have a dog. Aisha, a dog. What is your dog's name? Muniba, my dog's name is Bruno. Aisha, Bruno. That is a strong name. What does Bruno look like? Muniba, Bruno is big and fluffy. He has soft, golden fur and the kindest eyes. Aisha, he sounds adorable. What is his personality like? Muniba, he is very gentle. Very loyal. Dogs are the most loyal creatures in the world, I think. Aisha, I agree. They love you no matter what. Muniba, exactly. No matter what, they are always there for you. I find that very beautiful. Aisha, so viewers, do you have a pet? You can say, I have a dog. I have a cat. I have a bird. I have a fish. Muniba, or, I don't have a pet, but I would love one. That's a very natural English sentence. Aisha, if you have a pet, tell us in the comments. Right, I have a underscore underscore underscore. Her name is underscore 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 dot. Muniba, we love to read your comments. Write to us. Part 6, Favorite Things. Aisha, now, the really fun part. Favorite things. Muniba, my favorite topic. Aisha, let's start with food. Muniba, what is your favorite food? Muniba, oh. Pakistani food is the best food in the world. I am sorry, but it's true. Aisha, huh? I agree completely. Muniba, my absolute favorite is biryani. A beautiful, spiced rice dish with meat and flavor and love. Aisha, biryani. Yes. Everyone loves biryani. Muniba, and also dal chawal, lentils with rice. Simple, warm, comforting. It reminds me of home. Aisha, biryani. Yes. Everyone loves biryani. Muniba, and also dal chawal, lentils with rice. Simple, warm, comforting. It reminds me of home. Aisha, that's so beautiful. Food and memories, they go together. Muniba, always. So viewers, say, my favorite food is underscore 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 dot. It can be anything. My favorite food is pizza. My favorite food is sushi. My favorite food is biryani. Aisha, okay next, favorite color. Muniba? Muniba, look at my paintings and you will know the answer. I love all colors. I paint with bright, bold, beautiful colors. Aisha, that's so true, your art is so colorful. Muniba, but if I choose one, I love turquoise. A beautiful blue-green color. Like the ocean. Like the sky meeting the sea. Aisha, turquoise. That's a lovely color. My favorite color is yellow, like sunshine. Muniba, yellow. Happy and bright. Perfect for you, Aisha. Aisha, viewers, say your favorite color. My favorite color is. Favorite hobby. What do you love to do in your free time, Muniba? Muniba, painting, of course. When I paint, I forget everything. I am completely free. It is meditation for me. Aisha, that's so powerful. What else? Muniba, I love to read. Books open your mind and your heart. I also love to spend time with Nail, playing, laughing, telling stories. Aisha, being a mother is a hobby too, in a way. Muniba, the most important one. And I love to travel. I have been to so many countries. Every place teaches you something new. Aisha, wow, painting, reading, traveling, being a mother. You are a very full person, Muniba. Muniba, life is full, if you let it be. So viewers, what is your hobby? Say, my hobby is ___ dot. Or I love to ___ dot. Aisha, for example, I love to play cricket. My hobby is cooking. I love to watch movies. Muniba, whatever makes your heart happy, that is your hobby. Celebrate it. Putting it all together. Aisha, okay. We have learned so much today. Now let's put it all together. Muniba, yes. Listen carefully. I will give my full self-introduction. This is what you can do too. Microphone Muniba's full introduction. Hello. My name is Muniba Mazari. I am from Pakistan. I was born in Rahim Yar Khan and now I live in Karachi, a big, beautiful city. I am a painter, a motivational speaker, and a TV host. I love my work very much. I have one daughter. Her name is Nail. She is young and full of energy. My family is very important to me. I have a dog. His name is Bruno. He is big, fluffy, and very gentle. My favorite food is biryani. My favorite color is turquoise. I love to paint, to read, and to travel. I believe in living life with courage, color, and love. Every day is a new beginning. Aisha, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Now my turn. Aisha's full introduction. Hello. My name is Aisha. I am from Pakistan. I live in a city in an apartment. I am a teacher. I teach English and I love helping people learn. I have one brother. He is older than me. My mother is a nurse and my father works in an office. I don't have a pet, but I would love to have a cat one day. My favorite food is dal chawal. My favorite color is yellow. I love to read books and go for long walks. Muniba, perfect. See how easy that is? Aisha. Just follow the steps: name, age, where you're from, where you live, job, family, pets, favorite things. Muniba, and add your personality. Don't just say facts, say how you feel. That is real English. That is real communication. Aisha, practice it every day. Say it to yourself in the mirror. Record yourself on your phone. Muniba, the more you practice, the more confident you become. And confidence is the key to everything. Closing. Aisha, okay everyone, that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed our lesson. Muniba, it was so much fun. I loved talking about my life, my daughter, my painting, my Bruno. Aisha, ha. And we loved hearing it. Now viewers, your homework. Muniba, yes. Write your full introduction in the comments below. Your name, your city, your job, your family, your hobby, all of it. Aisha, We will read every single comment. We love hearing from you. Muniba, and remember, don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. And trying is everything. Aisha, every mistake makes you stronger. Just keep speaking. Keep going. Muniba, I have faced many difficulties in my life. But I never stopped. And look, here I am, speaking English on a global channel, sharing my story with all of you. Aisha, that is so inspiring, Muniba. Thank you for being here. Muniba, thank you for having me. And viewers, you are stronger than you think. Keep learning. Keep growing. You are amazing. Aisha, if you liked this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Muniba, and subscribe to Mr. English channel, new lessons every week. Aisha, share this with a friend who is learning English. Help them too. Muniba, okay. Goodbye everyone. Be brave. Be kind. Be yourself, always. Aisha, bye-bye. Waving hand. Muniba, Kuda Hafiz. And see you next time.